The 316 drill bit. So Jonathan's going to do the uninstallation today. And basically you want to center your drill bit, set it on low, apply pressure, and drill it out. You want to apply a nice firm pressure, keep it axial with the rivet itself, and it will disintegrate. If you notice the rivet starts spinning on you, you could also just start leading pressure so that you could lock it. And that's it. The split rivet head is broken off. Now you have a bunch of residue on the back side. You could use the drill bit itself to poke it through. So now we know it's off. We're going to eventually take out all the screws and go get the debris on the back side. We're going to do this on each rivet.
It's actually really easy.
So the ticket is really applying the force and not going crazy with the drill speed. Push harder.
I feel like it's
spinning on you?
Spinning endlessly.
Well, just try to hold it more at an angle. There you go.
I noticed when you actually angle, you're actually kind of breaking it off. Like,
That's it. You're basically at that point, there's not a lot left on it.
That makes sense.